Hi guys, and welcome back to another electronics video for my reverse engineering series. Today I have a regular power adapter here in front of me. As you can see, the input is 120 volts AC at 60 Hertz and 12 watt power rating, and the output is 12 volt DC at 500 milliamps. And then also based on the symbol here, you can see that on the other end of the connector, it's a positive center. Now I've already cut off the connector, so in this case positive would normally be the cable that is marked in distinct marking, so it's with the white stripes on here. So what I thought we would do today is actually open up this adapter and see what's going on inside. I think I'm going to need a hammer for this one, just to get it started. Okay, those just got bent slightly and were pushed in. You can hear something rattling in there. It's starting to deform a little bit. Okay, well, we finally got it open here. So the rattling that you heard earlier were probably these small fragments of plastic here that shattered off up on this top of this transformer as I was trying to get in there. So let's see if we can get at these components now. Okay, so those basically just press fit in to the plastic housing. As you can see here, the power cable comes in on the bottom, comes through this rubber grommet, and then is soldered directly to this small PCB. And actually, the rest of this is pretty simple. As we can see, there's a large transformer that does actually take up the majority of space inside this wall wart adapter. A piece of tape here just for insulation, and then on this small PCB you can see there is a fuse in here. We have one large filter capacitor, one resistor, and then obviously we also have these diodes right here. So we have four rectifier diodes on this PCB. So actually a very simple circuit board inside this wall wart. Now, what I wanted to show in this video is that a lot of times people think that these power supplies simply have a transformer inside, and that is not the case. There is usually, well, pretty much all the time, there is a PCB involved as well, with a couple other components. Some of them are quite a bit more elaborate. This one, by the looks of it, only takes in one input voltage, but there are some that will accommodate European voltage as well as North American, for example, so those you will usually see a bit more of a complicated circuit inside the device. Now you can see also at the top here, these two brackets that go directly into this transformer is where the power plugs actually just connected, and it looks like it was just a friction fit. Those just clip right into these brackets here. So I hope you found this video interesting to see what the insides of a wall wart power adapter look like. I'm going to leave you with a couple close-up images of the various components. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I expect to be making more electronics videos soon, so keep your eyes open for those. We'll see you in the next video.